In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most versatile refrigerators currently on the market, the Smad 13.9 Cu.ft refrigerator with a top freezer. This model has been catching eyes, not just for its sleek stainless steel finish, which by the way, is a dream to clean and resists fingerprints like a champ, but for its intelligent design tailored for busy families or anyone needing a compact yet spacious fridge solution. The Smad refrigerator stretches to dimensions of 27.56 inches in width, 29.17 inches in depth, and stands tall at 59.88 inches, offering an impressive interior that combines a 10.3 cubic feet refrigeration space with a 3.6 cubic feet freezer. This duo promises to cater to all your food preservation needs without taking over your space. What sets this refrigerator apart is its frost-free technology. Gone are the days of manually defrosting your freezer, a task nobody enjoys. The Smad ensures your frozen foods remain fresher longer, without the icy buildup. This feature alone makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen or furnish a new space like a dorm room or apartment. The ability to control the temperature independently in the fridge. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.